Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Today we are going to talk about something amazing: artificial intelligence applications in real life. AI is not just for big tech companies. It's already a part of our daily lives, from hospital to banks, from shopping to self-driving cars. AI is making everything smarter. Let's see how AI is helping the real world. If you take example of healthcare, imagine if a computer could help doctors detect diseases early. Sounds cool, right? That's exactly what AI is doing. Doctors use AI to look at the X-rays and MRI scans. The AI checks for early signs of diseases like cancer or eye problems. Sometimes it even finds things doctor might miss. For example, Google's DeepMind AI can find over 50 types of eye diseases with 94% accuracy. That means the better treatment, faster recovery, and more lives saved. Coming into the finance, ever got a message from the bank saying, "Did you make this purchase?" That's AI protecting your money. Banks use AI to check millions of transactions and find anything suspicious. JP Morgan Chase uses AI to stop fraud before it happens. AI is used in the stock market. It looks at the market trends, news, and even tweets to guess what might happen next. No magic, just smart algorithms working super fast. That's AI in finance for you. Coming into the entertainment, ever wondered why Netflix knows what show you'll love next? Or how Amazon suggests products you actually needed? Yes, that's AI too. AI looks at you, what you watch, what you buy, and what others like you enjoy. Then it suggests the perfect match. That's why Netflix suggestion feels so good. Amazon uses this too to boost their sales. In fact, 35% of Amazon sales come from these smart suggestions only. That's AI making shopping smarter. The final one is self-driving cars. Have you ever seen cars drive themselves? It's not a dream anymore. It's real. And it's AI. Self-driving cars use cameras, sensors, and AI to understand roads, traffic, and people. Tesla's autopilot learns from millions of miles of driving data. It keeps getting better and better and better. And who knows, maybe one day we won't need drivers at all. This is how AI is changing the world. From hospitals to shopping, from banking to self-driving cars, AI is everywhere. In the next video, we'll go even deeper, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.